Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep into 3D printing and explore the best 3D printer under $300. The output of each 3D printer varies greatly depending on the brand, model, and capabilities. These 3D printers are especially for users looking for an affordable 3D printer without sacrificing too much of their quality. We all know that the more expensive 3D printers offer better quality results, but if you are on a budget, these 3D printers will do just fine. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the top 3D printers under $300. Each 3D printer offers a range of features and capabilities that make your 3D printing experience much more accessible. These 3D printers can be used in any condition and are perfect for beginners who have never used a 3D printer. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is official Creality Ender 3D printer. In today's world of 3D printing, finding the best bang for your buck can be a thrilling adventure. But fear not, fellow creators, for I present you the ultimate contender of affordable 3D printers under $300, the official Creality Ender 3v2 Neo. Prepare to be amazed as this magnificent machine takes simplicity to a new level. You'll have this beauty up and running quickly with 3 easy steps. Beginners and seasoned pros alike will rejoice at the time-saving assembly process, allowing you to dive headfirst into the world of 3D printing. But that's not all. Feast your eyes on the brand new 4.3-inch UI user interface with a model preview function. Watch in awe as you observe your creations come to life, with the added convenience of multiple language support for a global audience. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.